Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change the battery in your Tesla Model 3 key fob. First, you'll need a few simple items. Make sure you have a new CR2032 coin cell battery on hand. You'll also need a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool. These tools will help you safely open the key fob without causing any damage. Having everything ready makes the process quick and easy. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for the small seam that runs along the side of the fob. Take your flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool and gently insert it into this seam. Apply a slight twisting or prying motion. You should feel the two halves of the fob begin to separate. Be careful not to use too much force to avoid scratching or damaging the casing. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery inside. Before removing it, take a moment to observe its orientation. Typically, the positive side faces up. Use your pry tool to gently lift the old CR2032 battery out of its compartment. Now, take your new battery and insert it, ensuring the positive side is facing upwards, just like the old one was. It should fit snugly. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the fob, making sure they fit together perfectly. Gently press them together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely fastened. Once reassembled, take your key fob to your Tesla Model 3 and test its functionality. Ensure all buttons work correctly and your car responds as expected. You've successfully changed your key fob battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.